That's enough out of you. It's Peter. We're gonna do this right here. We're gonna do kickaways. Bop, bop. We're gonna do around the world. We had a little mantra. We had double kick, single, single, double kick. You're done. You just get right here. So you can watch that over and over again if you want. Maddie, the thing we were going to talk about connection was?
Turning in an analog fashion, not a digital one.
That's right, turn kind of slowly. If we turn a little more slowly here, then when we're getting to this kick, bam, we haven't had a dead stop. I think a lot of people are turning really fast, and then they kick, everything is stopped. And so when they kick and stop, and then they kind of let go, it's hard to keep going. The around the world is very difficult. So you can kind of get away with it, and you can do it that way. Get away with it in this kick way. When I do this, and I let go, it's hard to get around, especially for followers who don't know what's coming. If we're turning in a more analog fashion, rotating all the time and more, how will we go? It's a little more continuous, much easier to find each other at the end. That was it. Excellent hustle is getting way better every week.